everyone, this is from one of our new sellers on the Real Herb Market. This is Rebecca Ingalls of Palmer Pond Botanicals, and this is what you'll typically expect to get from them. It's a small box, and what we're going to do is we're going to open it up here and take a look at what she sent us. Nicely packaged there, very tight, and that's what you really want to see too, is a nice packaging, tight, so that you know that what you're going to get is going to be something that's going to last. So here we go. We're going to open it up. Oh, see, even more tape. Rebecca wasted no expense on tape. There we go. Now we open it up. Oh, the rose petals are a nice little touch. That's great. I like the use of craft paper, kind of recyclable, kind of nice. Gives it a nice little look. Oh, okay. And so we'll see here, okay, nice. Bring this open. Just reusing some materials from other things. And here you go. There's a nice note from her to Candace. And here we go. Little tape embellishment there. It's a nice little label she has here. And then there's the little note from her about what is in your package here. And then the two items here are individually wrapped. And we have a hydrosol of clary sage and two hydrosol clary sage. So there you go. So this is from the leaf and stem, and this is from the flowering tops. So as you can see, they're well packaged. They're going to make it to you safe, and that's really what you want when you're ordering from the Real Herb Market and from Palmer Pond Botanicals.